Hello friends, welcome to my class. In the last lecture we have studied about vehicle load. So today I am going to tell you about the wind load. So let's start. Let's go to Staad Pro, select new project and name it. Next, finish. First go to geometry and then structure wizard. Today I am going to tell you wind load analysis of a frame, okay, of a bay frame, okay. So select bay frame. Now select number of bays 3. Here also 3. Also 3. Length 8 meter. Height also 8 meter and width also 8 meter. Apply. Now transfer this model. Okay, now first of all assign the material. Go to general, define rectangle. Here I am assigning a single material only, okay. So as we will assign it to whole structure, okay. So define it, okay. So 0.3 and this also 0.3. Now add it, okay. Now click on the assign to view, okay. So material will be assigned to the whole structure. Now we will go to support. Now create a fixed support, okay. So we will create a fixed support at the bottom of the nodes, okay. So assign the selected nodes, okay. Now go to isometric view, if you can see, okay. Now loads and definition, load case and details, add. First we will define dead load, okay. L1 defining it, and live load I am defining it L2. First of all we are giving naming loads, okay. We can will define to afterwards. So I am defining a wind load also, okay. I am naming it a wind load also, okay. First wind load, I will define the wind load by WL. So X positive, okay. So X positive will be in the X direction, okay. Positive X direction will be, okay. So similarly wind load in the WLX and negative direction, okay. Similarly WLZ positive and WLZ negative, okay. Now for wind loads, okay, first of all for dead load we will apply dead load. So first of all apply self weight, add, then add member load to it, -4 I am giving here. Now for wind load we have to apply flow load also. Here the next new load has been also added, it is flow load. What is flow load? Flow load is the load of the floor, okay. You all know about the floor, okay. So now go to flow load, then we will apply the pressure to it. I am applying a pressure here. I'm applying a pressure of -4, okay, kilonewton per meter square. And for wind load there is something range is been defined, okay. So here I am defining a range of 4 to 24 meter, okay. So click on add, okay. Now you can see the flow load has been assigned, okay, directly. It will be assigned directly, okay. Now go to live load, and here we will, for live load we will assign only a flow load, okay. So I am assigning is -2 and range is 4 to 24. For the wind load we will use 4 to 24 range only, okay. Now assign the self weight. Okay, assign to view. Member loads will select beams parallel to x-axis and select beams parallel to z-axis. Okay, and assign to the select beams. Okay, now the live load and dead load has been assigned. Okay, now first of all we will give the definition of wind load for these wind load cases. WL x positive and x negative in z negative directions. So we will first define, go to definitions, go to wind definition and click on add. Okay, now add a wind load. Okay, so I will add it first. Okay, close. Now click on this type 1 wind 1 and add, click on wind. So here, as you can see, a dialog box, intensities, we have to define the intensities. Okay, so here I am defining first intensity 1.5. okay, and height is 24. Okay, so go to, and we will calculate as per and this is SSC. These are some of the codes. Okay, so it is American code. Okay, ASSC 7. Okay, so now according to this code it will define all the values of the intensities of the wind load. So calculate as per SC. Now select this. Okay, and select this one, then click on apply. Okay, similarly this also should be remaining same, and click on apply. Building pressure also apply, click on OK. Now this intensities have been now calculated and assigned here. Now you can click on add. Now exposure, we have to give exposure 1, and click on add. Okay, now we have to assign this exposure. Okay, so assign this exposure, assign to selected nodes. Okay, so select all the nodes of the structure, then you can assign to view also. Okay, I am selecting here nodes. Okay, so assign to selected nodes. Okay, now close it definition, this also, sorry. Now wind load, we will define the wind load. Okay, so we will assign the wind load. So click on add wind WL x positive and go to wind load here. Okay, you can see here. So factor we will give 1, and we will select the x axis, so we will select x direction, and range we will give the same 4 to 24. Okay, so click here, we can see that wind load has been applied. You can see in the x positive direction. Similarly in x negative and z positive and z negative also we can do. So now go to this, now wind load, here we will select -1. Okay, factor, and select x only here, x axis only. Okay, 4 to 24. Okay, now add. Similarly z also, wind load, select z, 4 to 24, click on add. Okay, select z axis, click on add. Wind load, select -1, click on z axis, 4 to 24. Now just see that wind load has been applied or not. So here wind load has been applied. Yeah, wind load has been applied properly. Okay, so see here also all has been applied. So this is all for today, and you can run on analysis also, analysis print and then add. Okay, you can see here analyze, then run analysis, click results, and will show 0 errors. Okay, now in the post processing you can see that whether it is showing deflection or not. So now go to this deflection. Okay, so now you can see a little bit of deflection. So our structure has been safe. Okay, the model has been safe. So that is all for today. In the next class we will study about the um, earthquake load. Okay, I will show you how analysis of earthquake load works. Okay, so guys, stay tuned to my updates, and please follow the link, and please do not forget to subscribe. And if you like my video, please like and share as much as you can. Okay, and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.